Hey, what are you doing? It's not Christmas yet. Did Mommy say you could open a present already? Jocelyn. What is that, huh? You're opening it early. It's not even Christmas yet. Okay, pull it out. Because you already got it open. What is it? Can you say thank you to Auntie Casey and Uncle Bronson? Say thank you. Yeah, that's their picture up there. Can you say thank you? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you.
Okay, we weren't supposed to open it quite yet.